Good evening, everybody. It is Tuesday, the 27th of August, 2024, and we're in a brand new location, a place I've never been to before, and actually somebody that Preston North End as a football club had never played before. We're in Harrogate. It's the second round of the Carabao Cup. It's Harrogate Town against Preston North End, and this is Matchday Vlogs. Well, welcome back to Matchday Vlogs, everyone, and we're here at the exercise stadium in Harrogate. Let's give you a quick view. We are pitch side. Goalkeepers are warming up over there, and there's a little away stand there, seating. They'd already gone by the time I bought my ticket. So it's a fairly small stadium. Been doing some research about Harrogate Town. Founded officially in 1914 according to Wikipedia. Don't shoot me if I'm wrong. Spent a lot of the time in non-league, but got promoted from the National League a few years ago. Their manager, Simon Weaver, is, I think, the longest serving manager in the EFL as things stand. And they've been on a couple of cup runs in a few years. They got to the third round of the FA Cup recently. Done quite well in the EFL Trophy, which is the League 1 and 2 competition. And they're a solid League 2 side. Interesting fact, and I think I'm right about this, when they first got promoted, they actually had to ground share with Doncaster Rovers for a little while, because they had a plastic pitch and they had to wait to get a grass pitch laid. So yeah, looking forward to a good game tonight. It's nice to visit a new stadium, somewhere I've not been before, so yeah.
Preston North End and your Harrogate Town. Bradley Hall, And the fourth official this evening is Simon May.
There we go then. Second round at the Carabao Cup. PNE against Harrogate Town. Kick-off time. First corner of the game, 2 minutes in.
Let him run on pitch.
Too far. That's it.
I like him in his own one.
I thought he weren't stuck. Cool, I like you. Tell me.
25.
I thought he weren't like a true off. Yeah, no, obviously he's too far back.
Free kick for North End. Promising position. Right, here we go.
First goal.
Completely missed it because there's stuff going on in the stand around me, but we have a penalty kick to North End. Greenwood scored the free kick and it looks like he might be going to take the penalty as well. And 2 minutes later, it's 3-0. We are going to run up a cricket score here.
Let's go.
Just round the stroke of half time, 4-0. That's my itch again. Right, we're 4-0 up at half time and I've got some of our new regulars on the blog with us. Hey guys, what do you think of the game so far?
You can find out more information in the news section on the Harrogate Town website. Our women's team are back in action at Rossett Sports Centre.
Yeah, I reckon so. What do you think of the game so far?
And meanwhile,
Good goals, definitely good goals.
At the weekend.
Okay, what's your prediction for the final score? What do you reckon?
10-0.
10-0.
Rochdale on Saturday,
6-0.
September the 7th.
I'm going to go with 8.
Little
Right, here we go, second half. Big question, how many are we going to score? Here we go. on this side. Where do I go? Another corner. That was a real heads up. The world has ever seen, and it's Preston, nothing. Preston, nothing. That's it. Shit! There we go. Right, got another corner finally. He's one of our own. Here best. He's one of our own. That's just taken. Well, give it back to Matchday. He's going backwards.
I wouldn't if I was on the pitch.
There we go. 5-0 and Millie's got a hat-trick. One of our own. He's one of our own. Oh! Corner. Very hard to get it from this angle, but we'll try. He's taking this, Frockyard's taking this. That's a poor first touch. Back out to Frockyard. Oh, okay.
Before the under 21s. Originally scheduled for tonight, has now been moved to the evening of Tuesday, September the 24th. Once again, kick-off will be at 7:45 p.m. Great opportunity to see Town back in action against some potential Premier League talent and to support the lads in their first home time of the competition, which also includes games against Crewe, Alexander and Blackpool. In the meantime, we hope you have enjoyed the evening at the Exercise Stadium. We'll have a safe journey home. Thank you everybody. Have a great day.
Well, made it back to the car, managed to get back here by 10. I realised the light's not great, there we go. There's just a light shine down there. Yeah, great game, absolutely great game. Thrilled for Osmaic getting a hat-trick. Yeah, you can't say fairer than that really. There's not really much else to say really. We're in the round, we're in the hat for the third round, which I think we were always hoping we would be. And yeah, it was a good clinical performance. It was exactly what I expected, and the team were a lot more attacking tonight. I mean, even in the second half, I didn't really mind them passing it around so much because we were keeping possession, and well, yeah, that was it basically. We kept possession and nullified any threat from Harrogate. It's a nice little stadium, the Exercise Stadium. It's a nice little atmosphere. I think the attendance was about 2,500. I think we made up half the support tonight. Great noise from the travelling fans. It was really great to be. I don't really get to go to many away games, so it was nice to be a part of it. Yeah, at this point I'm just mumbling on. I really need to get home because back to my parents' house, which is where I'm staying tonight because that's nearer. I have got work in the morning, so I'm going to leave it here for tonight because obviously when I get in I need to get straight to bed. But yeah, great game. Through to the third round. Who knows who we'll get. I think really to get a nice cup run, I'd actually like sort of lower league opposition here, like League 1, League 2 if there's anybody left in. I hope Fleetwood might still be in actually, so yeah, that'd be a good draw. That's also another nearby one effectively, so yeah, great game. 5-star, 5 goals. Can't ask for more than that. If you enjoyed the video, drop us a like, drop us a sub. All helps to grow the channel. Follow me on socials, X, Instagram @ThisisNeats. And all that's left to say is thank you very much for watching. And I'll see you all next time.